Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Humans. Welcome to episode 17 of this free Noteful course. At the beginning of this course, we talked about how you can move your toolbar to different sides of the screen. You can do more in Noteful to personalize your toolbar in the app. Though the app has a lot of features to offer, you might not need all of them for your notes. The app lets you customize your toolbar to remove features you don't need. To get started, tap the plus icon on the toolbar, then the spanner icon, and in this window, you can turn off all the tools you don't need. At its most minimal, Noteful's toolbar has one icon and one color. The customization options are also accessible from the three dots icon on the toolbar. Go to the Options tab and go to Customize Toolbar. Noteful has some useful shortcuts for adding images, text boxes, and photos that you can add to your toolbar. When turned on, you don't have to rely on the plus icon to add those items to your notes. You can add them with single taps by tapping the shortcuts right from the toolbar. And that is all about customizing your toolbars in Noteful. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See you in the next episode.